Hello everybody, today we're going to go over how to make a blue butter slime. Starting off with our school glue, next is our lotion, we have our blue Daiso Clay, we have our water and Borax Activator, and last we have our red food coloring in a bowl just to make everything something on the table. First off, we're going to start off by adding the glue into the bowl. I like to do around a cup. I don't really like to measure, but I kind of just eyeball it. Next up, along with the water activator, it is a mixture of borax. It's a teaspoon of borax and 1 cup of water. That's the ratio I use. It works out really well. Give it a little mix, kind of get it started. After that, add in your food coloring. Now's a good time. It's not very thick, so you can kind of mix it super easily. A few drops of that. Keep mixing until you get your desired consistency. Every once in a while, you're going to add in the borax solution. Needs to thicken it up. A little goes a long way, so don't add in too much at a time. When it gets to a pretty thick consistency, maybe add in a little more like how I have. Keep mixing it until you're really starting to see it kind of take away from the sides of the bowl. It's like one massive clump right here, so this is a good time to actually kind of take it out. Now you can knead it with your hands. It's still really sticky. Feels kind of gross, not going to lie, but now is a good chance to take it out. Keep kneading it with your hands. I like to do the fold over method. It helps a lot more. I know it looks pretty stiff, but give it some time. This is where I add in the lotion. This helps a lot with consistency. It also actually helps get everything off your hands. So it's a 2 for 1. Just going to keep kneading it. Don't mind my washing machine in the background. I like to get the excess off the bowl. This is a few extra pieces of the glue. Same with the extra pieces of the slime itself. Helps consistency as well, considering it was mixed in earlier. Alright, here's a pretty good consistency. Easily spreadable on the table, as you can see. Doesn't really take too much effort to pull apart in my hands. Now is where we add in the blue Daiso Clay. Big fan of the color of this. One of my favorite shades of blue. Looks like a little heart. Oh. I like to do the fold over method. Kind of squeeze in the beginning. But to knead it, I fold it over. Makes it mix much quicker. Honestly, love the sounds it makes. All the pops. Keep kneading it, keep folding it over, keep stretching it. When you get to a good consistency, I'm doing the full thing today, so just keep adding in more pieces. You can start from the beginning with just the entire thing, but I feel that this is just easier to mix in without struggling too much. The clay is incredibly soft, so honestly, you're not going to struggle much at all anyway. But I just felt this is much more easier to deal with, much more manageable. Not me smacking that thing. That's crazy. Hey, yo. It's incredibly smooth now, as you can see. Now I'm going to add in the last few pieces. Very spreadable. What I will say about the clay is that it will actually turn your hands a little different color. Mine now have a tinge of blue to them, so just beware if you're going to be doing this and you're wearing white clothing. It does stain, but it's easily washable. Add in a bit more of the lotion, soften it up a bit to get your desired consistency. bit more lotion, more kneading. It easily drizzles down a lot more now. This is the consistency that I was looking for. And that was it. Super spreadable, super easy to do. Probably 5 ingredients in total. Hope you guys enjoyed.